Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to indent text in Mailchimp. This is a useful formatting technique that can help you create better structure in your email campaigns, making your content easier to read and more visually appealing. Let's get started. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Login button and enter your account credentials to access your Mailchimp dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your email campaigns and content. After logging in, you'll need to access the campaign you want to work on. Click on the Campaigns option in the left-hand menu, which will show you all your existing campaigns. You can either open an existing campaign that you want to edit or start a new one from scratch. Either way, you'll need to get into the campaign editor to make your formatting changes. Once you're in the editor, locate the text content block where you want to apply the indentation. Click on this block to activate the text editing mode. This allows you to make changes to the content within that specific section of your email. Now highlight the specific text that you want to indent. This step is important because the indentation will only apply to the text you've selected, giving you precise control over your formatting. Next, look at the top right menu and locate the text style dropdown. This is a crucial step. Click on it and make sure the text style is set to paragraph. This is important because Mailchimp does not offer indentation options for headings. The indentation feature only works when your text is formatted as a paragraph, so this setting needs to be correct before you can proceed. Once you've adjusted the text style to paragraph, you'll notice additional text formatting options become available for your text block. These options include the indentation controls you need. You can now apply the indent formatting to your selected text, adjusting it to achieve the look you want for your email campaign. After you've finished applying the indent formatting and are satisfied with how your text looks, click on Save and Exit to preserve your changes. Your indented text is now part of your campaign and ready to be sent to your subscribers. And there you have it. You've successfully formatted your Mailchimp text with proper indentation, creating a more polished and professional-looking email campaign. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.